Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers here. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First question: which country has formed its first all-women communication team? Now this country's name is United States. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Technical recession, which was making news recently, refers to the contraction of GDP for how many consecutive quarters? This question's answer is option A, 2. Option A is the correct option. Next question. Which country has proposed a new security bill that intends to protect police officers from online violence? So, this question's correct answer is option D. France is the correct option. Option D. Next question. BrahMos Aerospace is a joint venture company set up by Russia's Machino and which other company of India? Option D. DRDO. DRDO is the right option. What is the new name for Libra cryptocurrency? Option B. Tame. Option B is the correct option. The strategic Chardham highway project is being constructed in which Indian state? Option B, Uttarakhand. Option B is the correct option. NGR negotiating group of rules, which was seen in the news recently, is associated with which organization? Option B, WTO. World Trade Organization. This is the full form of WTO. And the option B is the correct answer. Where is the National Institute of Naturopathy, NIN, located? Option D, Pune. So this question's answer is Pune. Option D is the correct answer. Mamit district, which topped the Niti Aayog's October ranking of aspirational districts, is in which state? Mizoram. Option C is the correct option. Next question. Depository-Institutions Repo Rate or DR rate is the benchmark policy rate of which country? Option C, China. Option C, China is the correct answer. So students, I have completed my short lecturing here. Namaskar. सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर, सक्सेस एडुटेक जो कि ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको होम ट्यूटरिंग के सिवाय ऑनलाइन टीचिंग की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध हो सकती है। आप कहाँ भी रहे, लेकिन आपका एजुकेशन अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो सकता है। तो जल्द ही ज्वाइन करें सक्सेस एडुटेक, सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर ऑनलाइन टीचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को और अपना एजुकेशन बेटर करें और एक अपना जो भविष्य है उसको सुधारे। तो मैं प्रशांत जाधव आपको इस ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्वाइन होने के लिए आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ। नमस्कार।